Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset the 2011 Toyota Tacoma maintenance light. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine and press the odometer button until ODO displays. Hold the odometer/trip button and turn the ignition to OFF, then back to on, while holding the button for about 10 seconds until the maintenance light blinks and resets. Confirm by cycling ignition and checking the dash for no warning lamp. In this video, I will explain how to perform the step-by-step reset for a 2011 Toyota Tacoma maintenance light. Start by turning the key to on without cranking the engine, then press the odometer/trip button until ODO appears. Keep holding that button, switch the ignition OFF, and then turn it back to on while still holding the button. Release when the maintenance light blinks and the display shows the reset confirmation for the system. In this video, I will review a quick recommendation for viewers working in the garage or prepping for a long wrenching session. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof meal prep containers make clean lunches and prevent oily drips on your toolbox, and they stack neatly in a truck or shop fridge. If you like this tip, please subscribe and hit like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you troubleshoot common reset problems with your 2011 Toyota Tacoma maintenance light. If the light does not reset, try the sequence again using firm, steady pressure on the odometer button and ensure you cycle the ignition correctly. Low battery voltage can cause electronic quirks, so verify battery health if issues persist. If the maintenance light returns right away, have a professional inspect the vehicle for stored codes or sensor problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.